to Facebook Live through Tebi, so that people can actually get watch from Facebook, because the network have hanged a lot of our people around the world. So unfortunately, the network is not allowing some people to come in. Our friends from other countries, Nigerians who are living in other countries, welcome. Those from Turkey, those from Germany, those from US, those from UK, India, Cameroon, anywhere you're watching from, we are great. We're happy to have you around. And most of your questions will be answered today, as we have the president and CEO of Perfection Real Estate Group, our main user. So Idris, I would like you to share your own slides, because my slide is not yet. I've not yet come in. I'm still using my wife's phone to come in already. So please.
Okay.
So it's nice having you. Jot all your questions down, whatever you feel like, ask us, and we'll be able to answer you today. Okay. Please, Adidris, please watch out for Pastor John Guy, so that when he comes in, you'll be able to. But you are using your slide. So what are you going to do?
Of course. Are you seeing the slide, sir?
Yes, I'm seeing it clearly.
Okay, good.
So I can go on now.
Of course.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm very sorry for what is happening. It's just because of network. Of course, even the owner of Zoom was interviewed in Quest Means Business, and the problem he's having is he never expected this overwhelming number of people patronizing Zoom. So, so he was overwhelmed. So the network is crazy, because billions of people around the world are all joining Zoom. So it's going to be difficult for him to actually work on it. So Facebook is bringing their own app. This is 3:33 a.m. in Manila, and the Pastor John Guy is awake just to join us and take all your questions concerning empowered consumerism. Idris, the slide is not on.
All right.
So we are very, very grateful. I would like to start. The network is crazy. A lot of people are waiting. Please, I wish those people will come in, but because it's not good to keep them outside for this kind of big event. Ladies and gentlemen, by the way, we are about to launch one of the biggest system in the world, and that is a system of reaching out to Nigerians abroad. It is called NOW. NOW is NOW, which is Nigeria Overseas Workers. We want to reach out to them. We want them to participate and enjoy every bit of what we are doing here. So permit me to start immediately. I'm not going to take time. I'll be very fast in presentation. Next, Idris. Our partnership is with Perfection Real Estate Group. Thank God the president is here, and Empowered Consumerism. So you make money from Empowered Consumerism, and they use the money you get from Empowered Consumerism to pay for the house you choose through Perfection. Next.
I'm coming, sir.
Next. Okay. If the network is still crazy, Yeah. So in life, what are the things we actually want in life, ladies and gentlemen? The things we want in life are very simple. One of the things everybody wants in life is financial freedom. Everybody wants to make money. And when you make money, you need to have a time for it to enjoy your money. And again, if you have money and time, you need good health. Because if you're in the hospital, no matter how much you have, last time I visited a hospital in Ikoyi, unfortunately, I was seeing rich men, they can't even hold pen again to sign their check. And they're using their fingerprints to print their check. So that is, it will never happen to us in Jesus' name. You all will have your health and your money and time to enjoy it. That's my prayer for you. If you accept that, can you type MM? I pray you will never be in hospital enjoying your money. So I pray for that. Again, is your, okay, ready now. Okay. So these are the things we want in life. Next. So because of it, the reality is everybody need a job, and because we need job, we need work. We need work because many people's pockets right now, our pockets, people are running crazy because of no money in their wallet now. And again, the ones that people have next, the ones that people have is not enough for them. So people are fighting for minimum wage now. They want pay rise. And if you check a typical income of a Nigeria who is having a total of 30,000 minimum wage per month is crazy, because 30,000 can never solve any problem for a family of two, not to talk of three or four. So the reality is this: most people earn less than they spend. So which means people spend a lot of money when they earn less because of family engagement. The responsibility why income remains constant. That is the reality about this. Next. So the time have developed leg, and the time is running now. Your time is running out. So you need to work. Now let me share the sad reality about everything that is happening next with us. The sad reality is this: at the age of 60 years, 62% of 60 years old people are broke, and 28% are dead already. There's 5% are still working, hustling. I saw one man the other day. I was praying to God, God, please help me to help this man. Because if I see the man, and I don't know, when I approached the man, I asked him, how old are you? And the man was angry. The man said he's already 70 years. But he's still hustling because he needed what the family will eat. It's not only in Nigeria that is happening, it's happening abroad. So 4% will still be financially dependent. Why only 1% will become, will still be wealthy? So now the question is, which of them do you want? The 1%, the 4%, the 5%, the 28%, or 62%? Idris next. So this is very, very crazy, ladies and gentlemen. Which of these do you want? But go back because you didn't finish. You didn't see the 1%, so that you'll be able to see 1% of people become wealthy. The question is, why are these 1% of people wealthy? Why other people are just ordinary? Some are dead, some are. Why? Because the 1% were able to do what the other percentage will not ever want to do. Next. Next. Again, what do you need to start a business now in a shared economy or connected economy? You don't need shops again. You don't need offices again. Your office is just your house. What you need is smartphone. Even if it's Android phone, no matter how it is, as far as it can access Facebook, Zoom, and all social media handles, you are good to go. No matter the cost, doesn't matter. Then you need the right mindset. You need to work with your mindset. Remember, if you want to succeed, according to Jim Rohn says, work hard on yourself more than you work hard on your job. Because if you work hard on your job, you earn a living. But if you work hard on yourself, you earn a fortune. Again, you need a business plan that we are going to provide for you. Then you need persistency and consistency. Because I've never seen anybody win the race without getting to the final point. Again, you need a laptop because the world is moving now. You need a laptop. Again, you need to have passion, burning desire to succeed in this kind of business. Next, those are the things you need to succeed. Now, let's look at before. Before, you have a traveling agent that books your flight, books your hotel, and everything is booked for you. Now, in the new shared economy, you don't need all those traveling agents again, which means many traveling agents will lose work because now Airbnb or Booking.com, any of these things you go now, you can easily book your flight or book your hotel at the comfort of your home. Next, again, if you check transportation sector or industry, we have the transporter, transport operators, they hire drivers, drivers move around looking for passengers. In the new shared economy, it's no more like that. Why? In the new shared economy, we have Taxify, Bolt, Uber already waiting for you anywhere you are going. Next, let's look at, again, very, very important sector of the economy, which is advertising agents. If you talk of advertisement industry, you need to pay for somebody who will create a content for you. Then you now need to pass that content to TV stations, radio stations, and then you get to viewers or listeners. That was before. Now, all you need is YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, all social media handles to push your business to even more number of people. Next. Again, the application industry, you need developer, which we now move to telecom, then of course users. You don't need it in the new shared economy. In the new shared economy, you just need Google Play Store or Apple App Store. It's okay for you, for ready to go. Okay, next. Okay. Then the retail industry, you have manufacturers, you have the retail store, then the consumer. Now, with empowered consumerism and TEBI, you don't need all those again. TEBI, empowered consumerism, will provide you with what? With a massive business platform and a lifestyle. Now, this is the reality I want you to share. The new shared economy system will help you to shift your liability to assets. It will help you to shift your daily consumable to profit, daily expenses to income potential, daily necessities to opportunity. That is what the new shared economy is going to be providing. Next. Next. Can you still get me? Next. Okay. Of course, the company that we are dealing with, Titans Empire Builders, is legit. It's a legitimate company, and it's legit in everything. We pay tax to the federal government. We pay tax to states, local government, and we are monitored by security and the exchange commission. In our various states, we are paying tax, and anywhere you are still going to be paying tax to that country because we are very legal. So next, of course, I founded the organization Next. Not my power, but the power of Almighty God, by the way. Next. Now, the Titans Empire Builders uses the platform of empowered consumerism, which I'm going to be explaining later. Then we give back to the society. Remember, in this world, it's good to give. Givers never lack. And I want you to type this. I will continue to give, all right? Now, look at the brain behind the whole system. The brain behind it next is the people who owns this company, the people who we are working with. Let me tell you something. That is me on red, and that is Mr. Niyi standing behind Papilo, and that's Papilo, the tallest guy there. And now we have, of course, Papilo. I've just downloaded Zoom, so we are going to get him to be involved in one of these our sessions. Of course, we have Betonic, MD Betonic. We have the Chief Dave Olusegun, the person in charge of our project. And we have Madam Tinu, and then we have our legal man, which is Barrister Celeste Nwankwo. So these are the game, the scope behind this company already. I sincerely want to tell you that the reason why we are working with this kind of people, especially companies that have the competency, is because of the credibility that you have seen in Perfection Real Estate for the long period of time. And we thank God that they've never failed us in all we all desiring for. Next, just as I told you yesterday, next. Now, of course, these are some of our big events, which used to be offline gathering. Now, social distancing, we can never have the gathering like this again. Probably, if you are not careful, within the next 2 years, people will still be scared to gather together. Okay. So now, we also gather to give provisional letters to people who qualify it, provisional letters of allocation. So I pray for you that as you journey with us, you are going to get your own in shortest period of time and pursue these properties around Nigeria. Next. Of course, these are some of the provisional letters we have given out already to former member of Nigerian Prison Service Board. And you can see Idris. Idris collected his own when he was a student. We have Professor Akinshola of Unilag. Then we have a woman who used to be a beggar. That is crazy. Next, because anybody can succeed using our platform, no matter your level. And these are some of the provisional letters given by Papilo himself in some of our locations in Abuja and other places. Next. Next. And of course, we have been moving around meeting governors. This is when I met with Anambra State Governor. I was taking them to talk to him about this business, this project by Reverend Sisters. And this is very, very crazy. And the governor right now have decided that he's going to partner with, in terms of lands at Amansi. We have been following up for a long time now. So because of the lockdown, we are still having slow in most of the things. Next. Of course, we have met with, you can see me and Mr. Nii. We have been touring different states, meeting governors, ministers of the Federal Republic of Nigeria because of the importance of government collaboration in terms of document of these properties. And most of these governors are very, very intelligent people. Next. Of course, this is when you can see me, Mr. Nii, and the Asagba of Asaba when we went to the Royal Majesty's to pay a courtesy call and for him to give us his blessing towards our properties we have already. For those who want properties, of course, we have big, massive property in Asaba right now. We have 98 bungalows and 27 duplexes. Then we still have 27, we have about 100 hectares of land. That one is 5 minutes drive to 10 minutes drive to government house of Asaba. So for those of you, there are some people who say, I don't want your estate, I want to build my own. I want to have my own test. You can approach us also. Of course, we'll be answering you for that one too. Next, because this is when myself, Mr. Nii, and Papilo attended Super Eagle players had, and this guy is very, very crazy. And then I was able to share the business to some of the Super Eagle players, and they love it already. Next. As you can see, this is our visit to Godswill Akpabio's house in Abuja. You can see myself, Mr. Nii. I look like Hausa man there, and Harris Song and Fubara and Clean the Drunk and most of these celebrities. Next. Of course, Empower Consumerism. These are the guys that owns the Empower Consumerism company that we are using the payment system to pay for these houses. This is a shared economy of a 14 years old, tested and trusted system. Heavily owned by Dr. Ed Kabantong, CEO, and John Aspirin, the Chief Marketing Officer, and the late Francis Miguel. So these are the guys behind the Empowered Consumerism. Next. Of course, you know, the coronavirus pandemic, what you have done to countries. Now, many countries are going to be hitting with recession. And if countries go to recession, it only means something simple. It only means that since they are going into recession, it only means that many companies will be folding up. Okay? Many companies will be folding up. And if companies are folding up, it only means that many workers will be sacked. Look at Access Bank blow their own open and the people started attacking them on social media. Many other companies are gradually laying people off without media attention. So this is crazy. So what we ask you to do is to start up a new shared economy with us, and you'll be able to see how we use this new shared economy to own properties across Nigeria. Next. Now, of course, we have our homes in Abuja. Massive home. You can see Mr. Nee there. You can see myself. We have properties now, duplexes in Lokogoma, in Dawaki, in Apoli settlement quarters, in Kubwa, in Kiami. And these are massive properties in Abuja that you can take hold of. Next. Of course, in Lagos, we have massive properties in Elegushi, in Abraham Desoya, in Ibejuleki. Only in Ibejuleki we have, because all Nigerians that are abroad now, whenever they call me, they say, Jerry, do you people have properties in Ibejuleki? Because everybody wants to go to Ibejuleki because it's now tagged as New Lagos. So this is massive properties we have there already, and you can already be part of it to this journey. Next. Then in Owerri, we have massive 4-bedroom, 5-bedroom duplexes, all standalone. And also we have about to kick off terrace buildings already in Owerri. Of course, the next program, I'll be inviting both our partner in Owerri, MIC, and Mr. Nee together, so that whatever question you need to ask, you ask with us. Then in Oba, Anambra State, in Oba, we are in partnership with the son of PC Ezenwa, and the Oba people want to give us 2,000 plots of land. We are working on that already because Rogeni and myself and PC Ezenwa Jr., we have been working on it. We are only waiting for myself and Mr. Nee to visit the site and see it, because the man already have our technology that we need. We have the prefab system, so it prefabricates most of the buildings, and that is good. So these are some of our events that senators attend, and you'll be able to see it yourself. Next. And this is some of our events in Abuja when we give people provisional letters. They're so excited. Next. Now, our 12 weeks program is an international business partnership. It's a training and mentorship platform. It's a school of leadership and entrepreneur. We work with Global Vision to create financial time and health freedom for all our partners. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not a lotto, and it's not for unserious people. Somebody from Turkey, after all the presentation, what they asked me is, do you people have the capacity to develop people, to train people? I say yes. By the way, tomorrow, you're going to, by 11 o'clock Nigeria time, you're going to be seeing a massive presentation tomorrow by one of our international life coach. And he will be training us all the way from Manila, Pastor John Guy. So if you are available, tell the person who shared this link to you to give you the link so that you'll be able to partake in the training tomorrow. It promises to be massive. Next. And if I will present to you a business that investment is just 38,000 naira only, and you can earn up to 96,000 per day, or minimum of 34.5 million a year, would you listen to my presentation? It's a question. If you can type yes, I will continue the presentation. If you are ready to listen to me, because all you need, or somebody called me in airport the other day before the lockdown. He said somebody called him. He was moving in airport. He was wearing our t-shirt, and the t-shirt said, "When you're home with only 38,000," the person come. Please, can I give you 38,000? Will you give me the house now? Okay. So let me show you what you do with our system. Now we pay you for doing two things. One, for direct advert bonus. The thing is, the money we are supposed to pay to those big celebrities and TV stations is the money now we are using to pay to you for telling people about houses built by Perfection. So now, for any time you tell people about Tebi, Perfection, and Empire consumerism, about the good houses that Perfection is bringing on, because we pay you for that advert. Next, let me show you how it runs. Don't make it. Next, this is you. Next, Idris, are you there? Next.
Yes, we're having it's loading.
So now this is you. For anybody you directly told about our houses, all your work is to share the link to people, and the people attend the presentation. And when they want to own their own house through our system, we pay you instantly 3,000 naira. No limit to number you can bring. For every person that you share your program with, we pay you 3,000. So if you share to, maybe you are good in Facebooking and you're able to share the link to as good as maybe 1,000 people. Of course, we are going to be the one to teach you. You had the kind of training we had today, was massive by 11 o'clock today. Next. Now, when we confirm there is what we are giving you two sales group, left sales group and right sales group. If you have gotten people left and right, we still pay you extra 4,800. So now, how does it work? Let's go. Let's go next. Let me show you how it works. Assuming this is you brought your friend A, and you told him about our houses. He loved the locations. He chose the location of the site. By the way, I want you people to type the location of house you want in Nigeria. Please, I want you to type it. If you want Abuja, if you want, of course, we also have to present the business. In fact, people have been sending me message from the speaker of what is it called, Oyo State House of Assembly, requesting that we are supposed to come and do our presentation for me and Mr. Nii. Of course, because of this lockdown, it's difficult for us to actually go, but we are working towards that one already. So now, if you bring person A, we pay you 3,000. You bring person B, we pay you 3,000. When there is, we confirm one on the left, one on the right, that is a matching bonus of 4,008. So now again, guys, if this A love it and they want to own his own house, he too will do the same thing you did. He will bring two persons. He will earn like you. If B do not bring, but you decide to bring another person, you earn extra 3,000. Then B decide to bring one person. B will earn his own 3,000 and also 4,800. And you don't know these people that join, but so far there's one on the left, one on the right. You're earning 4,800, 4,800, 4,800, 4,800 up to infinity, with or without your effort again. This is very, very massive. And our company have a safety net. Our safety net makes us not overpay. So you can only earn this 4,800, 4,800, 4,800 into 20 every day. So which means 20 times 4,800, that is 96,000 every day. Question, for this money you earned, for this 96,000 you earned, we are going to deduct 50% of it to pay for the house you choose. Why 50% of it go into your pocket for you to use and start up your own business or develop yourself? That is very, very crazy. Again, it is daily payout of commission, no time frame, no maintenance, okay? You don't need to be registering every month, every week, or every year. It is daily payout, and if you're earning 96,000 every day, it means that per week you're earning 672,000, and per month you're earning 2.8 million naira. For business you started with just 38,000. Now we decided to design a 12 weeks program that you're going to use to achieve all this. Next, let me show you how our 12 weeks program is going to blow your mind right now. Okay, this is you. You invested 38,000 with us. Remember, for this investment of 38,000, our partners from the Philippines, the Empowered Consumerism, will give us a souvenir pack for you worth 72,000 instantly. We will teach you how to get 2 persons under your organization, left and right, the first week. For doing that, you earn 4,800. Second week, you will not get anybody again. We will teach these 2 to get their own 2. That will be 96,000 if you are calculating it. Now, if anybody who is joining, we are teaching the person, your work is to be supervising them, because they too, they are making their own money, and you are making your own money. First week, second week, third week, fourth week, up to 12 weeks, you're going to be earning 4,096 matching times 48. That's about 19,660,800. Remember, you invested only 38,000. And remember, it's only 2 persons you introduce. And remember, the system is always first come, first serve. And the good thing is, for any income you earn here, we are removing 50% of it to pay for the house you choose. And if you have removed 30% of the worth of the house you choose, you will move into the property while the deduction continues. What is the logic behind allowing you to go in after 30%? For people to believe and to see the proof, because people like to see before believing. So that is why we need to do it like that. And you can pursue it within this period of 12 weeks if you are a serious-minded person. Now, this happens in 3 months. That is 12 weeks is 3 months. We have 4 quarters. That is the first quarter. And we have 4 quarters in 1 year. 19 million multiplied by 4 quarters, that is about 78 million naira plus. What will happen to you in the next 3 years? In 3 years' time, you'll be earning 235,922,400. With business, you started with only 38,000. I know most of you will be thinking, how do I get people and all that? Don't worry, it's our strategies that will bring it for you. When you join, we're going to add you in our new members TEBI orientation program, where we will start teaching you. When you have gathered your mind well, in your 3rd, 4th day, we are going to blow you with our system. You will boost the network, and what will happen in your 4th, 5th day is full of people asking you that I'm interested, I want to join. So ladies and gentlemen, we will share our strategies with you already. Of course, we have a lot of testimonials of people who have made it big in our organization. A lot of testimonies. And these testimonies are so many, and a lot of people will do it well because of you. Next. And I know you can't live in such massive houses with anyhow cars. So our system, the 50% you're getting will be more than good enough for you to earn properties with us. You don't need to be slaving yourself, staying abroad. You can be enjoying our trip. We also give out trips every year, 4 trips in a year. We go to US, we go to Europe, we go to Asia every year. Next. So, ladies and gentlemen, with all these testimonies, with everything here, I've presented this system to you, and I know you have a lot of questions. And because of this question, I will first, before you ask your question, I would like to invite the president and CEO of Perfection Real Estate Group to address the house. Mr. President, please unmute Mr. President so that he can address the house. Thank you, and God bless you. Let me introduce Mr. Niyi Adeleye to the house.
Yeah, good evening, everybody.
Good evening, Mr. President.
Yeah, thank you for having me. I appreciate your invitation.
Mr. President, your picture is only your picture we are seeing, no?
Yes, you know the house, and I've off all my dresses. So I don't. I'm very sorry. I would not be able to. No problem. I'm sorry about that, right? So, but permit me to just go this way for today.
Okay, right? No problem, Mr. President.
So, everybody in the house, good evening. Right. Of course, this meeting, I was informed today, right? But of course, I'm prepared anytime to come on board. But next time, I promise you will see my face, because I was prepared, for the meeting. But anytime I call upon, I'm ready to come on. So, as you have rightly heard, Adele is my name. I'm the president and CEO of Perfection Real Estate Group. Perfection Real Estate Group is on a rescue mission to make home ownership and participation in the real estate sector more accessible to Nigerians. So, and that is why, the partnership between TEBI and Perfection can really work together, because on our own parts, we are so particular about Nigerians, the average Nigerian, people who never dreamed of being able to have a home of their own, right? We are so particular about them. So empowering them to own their own home. And that is why this system of TEBI, it's a very good instrument, for the average person. Of course, we all know naturally that, when it comes to real estate, especially housing, of course, it takes a lot of capital, to do housing, right? And when we talk about affordable housing in Nigeria, those are the kind of houses that an average person doesn't like, because those houses are not looking the way they should look. You get the point, the way you will like. So what are we trying to do? Is provide a solution, a system that will give you the capacity to be able to afford these houses. And that is why we're talking about this system that gives you empowerment. Of course, there are other means. Other people have, the money they want to use to buy a house, but they even have it in their account. So privately, they can go ahead and pay. We'll give them the house they want in the location that they want. Or some people want to do like, maybe, okay, I want to spread payments, of course. Or some people want, but of course, the leverage system, because many people in Nigeria, lack the capacity to be able to say, I want to buy a house just like that. That is why, the system of TEBI, is there to empower people and give them capacity to be able to, buy into these houses. Now, of course, because this is a national project, a national project all over Nigeria, right? We are both delivering directly and also collaborating with other established real estate and credible, outfits. You get the point now. In those places where, we know that, okay, people want to have a house and we are not yet physically present there. They, of course, we look for a credible real estate company who, that are very good, and of course we partner with them, we collaborate with them, and help them to make their houses available for people who want to buy them. And of course, we also take, enter into partnership with governments. Governments are really accept our formula, because they love it, because they know that an average Nigerian can actually have, to achieve housing through that medium. So all the government, there's no government we went to. We have gone to Oyo, we have gone to Delta State, we have been to Edo State, we have been to so many, about almost more than 15 states or thereabouts, and all the governments of those states are very, they're very, they love what we are trying to do. And some of them are giving us land, some of them are giving us, kind of support to make sure that this dream become a reality. And indeed, it will become a reality. You get in Nigeria. So that is what we are doing. We have different kinds of house types and their prices. There are so many of them, which we may not be able to put on this platform as we talk right now, right? Maybe we will have to have a kind of a range, such a way that we can, maybe as Jerry's sharing the slide, we can also share locations, house types, prices that are available, and so on and so forth, and the systems with which you can acquire them. You get, so these are going to be made available in the course of time, as we go ahead. Now that we have this medium to speak to people, of course, we have to utilize it very well to ensure that people hear about this message that we're talking about. For us, we are so particular about the average Nigerian, like I said, owning a home, and we are putting every bit of effort into it to ensure that this dream, has become a reality. Anybody that has anybody that is modern, anybody that has what it takes, anybody that has the mindset, anybody that is consistent, anybody that is dogged, of course, can make this a reality for him or herself. And that is what we were trying to do in making, an average Nigerian have their own home. And this will help our economy as well. Because if people own their own home, it will definitely make people be more interested in what happens to them in their locality. And this also gets to help the economy, because where development is good and people are owning houses, the economy of such people are getting better as well. And of course, by directly or indirectly, the economy of our nation is what is getting better. So these are the kind of things we are trying to bring on board. And we hope that we are able to cooperate with the system to give, to make it a reality for you to own your own house. So these are the things that we have, for people of Nigeria. And I hope that people will run with it to make their own dream a reality. So at this point, thank you very much. This is what I have to say. I don't know whether there can be questions or anything that will be able to address, gray areas that I may not have talked about. So thank you very much for now. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you for joining us today. We are trying to locate Pastor John Guy from the Philippines. Network is still going crazy. He said that, I don't know whether the network is from Nigeria here. By the way, a short announcement. We are designing a presentation for our brothers and sisters in abroad, so that their presentation will be different. They will be having their own time of presentation, not joining us here. Of course, we are going to share with you the different schedule so that you send to your brothers and sisters abroad, and they can participate in whatever we are doing. Over the years, we found out that a lot of our brothers and sisters, they stay in abroad, and sending money sometimes to people they don't know to even build those houses is difficult for them. But with this one, you can be sure of owning your properties even at the comfort of your, without any story of who is building and all that. Perfection Real Estate Group is crazy with the work they are doing already. And this man that just spoke to you is a sleepless president. And you can be sure you are in the right hand. That sometimes myself and Papulus, when we go for meeting governors, ministers, sometimes we don't sleep till 3, 4 because of we need to do this to make sure that we get the best for Nigerians. Please, if you want to ask your question, kindly type your question here and we will answer it. Idris, let's start entertaining questions, please. If you have your question, you can type it. There is this one that is...
if you have a question, you can type it while we read it out.
What is this one? Oh, God. Okay, please, if you have your question, you can type it already. Okay, very important. If you don't want to type the question generally, you can always private chat me. I'm using my wife's phone because it's difficult for me to enter through my system here. I've been trying for more than how many minutes to ask your question. What is happening to the house project in Owerri? Nothing. The house project in Owerri is intact. The Owerri houses are built already. You can visit the estate right now. The estate is at Aba Road, Better Court Estate. If you go there, you're going to see Papulos's image being placed in the estate. And they're all 4-bedroom, 5-bedroom duplexes, and we're about to start the terrace buildings in that place. So the project is intact. Many of our people have visited there. So other locations like Port Harcourt Road, like Control, we are taking it step by step already. So that's not the problem. The most important thing is that we have the properties already there in Owerri. Well, let me see the next question. Please, how can I get the slides and videos of the meeting? Yeah, you want to get the slide, private chat me. If you have my number, if you want to talk to me directly, When you talk to me, tell me the person that invited you. I can attend to you, or you WhatsApp me directly to 070-311-47821. Let me type it. So if you want the slide, we can actually give you the slide. If you want the live video, the recorded video, we will give it to you. Also, this is my number. Private chat me and tell me the person who invited you. Thank you very much. Next question. How can I start? I'm new here. How can I start? Just talk to the person who invited you directly. He will give you the company's account number and how you start. Please, I would like to see the breakdown of the property. I showed the breakdown of the properties of Perfection. All the properties, I shared it with us during my training in the afternoon and by 11 o'clock today, and the people saw it already. Now, the property is depending on the location. Now, in Ibejuleki, we have properties of, we have 3-bedroom duplex for 22 million. We have 3-bedroom bungalows for about 18.4 million. And we have apartments in Ibejuleki. We have one bedroom self-contained in the Ibejuleki. Then we have duplexes. So it depends. Then in the Lake Bushi, we have 4-bedroom duplexes because of the cost of the land in that place is now about 100 million naira. So one 4-bedroom duplex, 2-story building, that one is going in for 65 million. By the way, if you need each of the properties, both in Abuja, anywhere, you just, when you get in, we'll be able to share all the entire this thing with you. I need to know more about the land in Owerri. If you want to know more about the land in Owerri, you private chat me. In the location of houses in Lekki. Then after the lockdown, do we still have physical presentation at Okwebi? And we don't have office in Okwebi, but Allen, 45 Allen Avenue. Why not? We still have gathering, but for now, people are scared. Please, I have a prospect in Italy, but she wants to know how to get her product. Okay. Somebody in Italy is easier because we even have office in Milan. We have an office in Milan. So it's easier for us to connect you directly to me. We have office in Milan. We have office in Spain. We have office in France. Okay. So that's not a problem. You will get your packages at the doorstep of your house already. So that one, and also we will provide you with BDO, Banco de Oro. What about those encashments? There's no encashment that have not opened unless you contact the person who invited you. If a newcomer register, who will be the person to match under? Of course, this will be trained under our technical training. This is a straightforward one. Here now can we get the video clip of the system. Okay, we are going to give you the video clips of how the system works. You are not answering all the questions. What was your question, please? If I don't have money and I bring people that cover the payments, is that okay? If I don't have money, I don't understand. You don't have money to sign up and you brought somebody who joined. Of course, you are going to be under the person. Okay, so the best thing is for you to sign up before the person, unless the person is registering your own and his own. Okay, so I'm sorry I didn't skip your question. I didn't notice your question on time. Any other question? Mine was skipped. What is yours? Let me see the person who said mine was skipped. The BC registration. The BC. I do see. Lubis, can you type your question back again? I didn't see it. There's no way we can skip any question.
Okay, Udubisi said that I have paid 38,000 naira since March, but has not followed up since then due to circumstances beyond my control. What do I do now?
You have not lost anything. All you need to do is contact the person who invited you and make sure you are putting in our group chat for Tebi orientation program so that you'll be able to get every detail. The most important, I'm happy for you. You already have a Zoom app downloaded, and it's easier for you to follow up. Yeah. Any other question, please? If you want to ask, you can even ask questions about our outside Nigeria operation, or you can private chat me if you want to know everything about our outside Nigeria operation and the other thing. I can see our brother from Washington, D.C. is here. The story of Mr. Ken, you know, he was talking yesterday, the network was not too clear. He signed up before going to do his master programs in Washington, D.C. And he never hear about the business. He never do anything because that time he was rushing to go. But with faith, he signed up. And the most important thing now is that when he checked his income without doing anything, he was able to earn about $350,000. He was lucky because he signed under somebody who was able to gather a lot of people under his organization. So he is here, and he wants to take the business seriously. In fact, he's one of our anchor person for US that want to put it already. I know someone who have put it more than. That's not true. Of course, you don't need 10 persons. To get provisional letters with us, you need 20. You need to introduce 20 persons under your organization, not 10 persons, okay? Please, listen, please. Do you have building in Abia State? No, not yet. We have met with Mr. Nii can bear me witness. We have met with the governor of myself and Kanwangwo Apilo. We have met with the governor of Abia State. And that very day, after meeting with His Excellency Okezie Bazum, he directed us to meet with Ikuku, who is the Speaker of the House. So we met Ikuku around 1 a.m. 1 a.m. to 3 a.m. We are busy discussing about this, and they are ready to give us property in Aba and Umuahia. So unfortunately, the lockdown came and everybody is locked down. The day we went, it was all over the radio, the news carried it that day. So when they are giving us the property, of course, Mr. Nii, myself, then we have to go and view each of the properties we are getting. Any other question here? Please. Thank you, CEO. Another question here. Please, can I pay for Tebi to put tender lines from me? And I may have issues getting down. Don't worry about yourself about getting down lines, because we will tell you what to do. You don't need to get down lines. Down lines will be looking for you.
Oh, yes.
Is special training for newly registered members. Yes, all registered people will be added in our group chats. Our group chats for Tebi orientation for new people. And there, we do all the necessary trainings, both the technical training. You know how to do registration for our DTC, from testimonies, iPhone. I'm based in US. Okay, Mr. Testimony, thank you for joining us. We are going to be creating a special presentation for people who are based abroad, Nigerians abroad, so that you will not be participating with our presentation for Nigeria who are here in Nigeria. Okay. Any other question? If you have questions, Mr. Nii is here.
We have two questions from two people that raised up their hand.
Two people.
Can we unmute them?
Okay. Allow testimonies from US to ask this question. Testimony from US. Did you see it?
Yes.
There's a testimony. We are here waiting for you.
Testimony, you are on now. We can hear you.
Hey guys, I greet you all. Can you hear me?
Sure, we can hear you.
We can hear you.
Yeah, I'm so glad to be at this meeting. You know, I heard about this meeting for some time, but being that, being what is going on, there's scamming and all those things. So, but I decided to give it a try today, but I'm impressed, and it's a good meeting. So my question is this. I'm really if I registered and maybe I don't have much time to start telling people about it, being because of my job. So what do I do?
Okay. Okay, thank you, Mr. Testimony. And just as I told you already, all the people from overseas, we have a system for them to follow. And this system, you will be scared of what will happen to you, even in the comfort of your house or in your working place. By the way, I think by now it's already about 3 o'clock in US.
Yeah, okay. This is after 3.
3:26. Okay.
Yeah,
so,
3:26 p.m.
Don't worry, sir. We are fixing all the necessary strategy you need. You'll be marveled at what we have developed already. And
okay.
When you chat us,
secondly, I need a landed property in Asaba. I know where. But although like what really made me interested, what really drew my attention was the property stuff. You know, because there was a group of people about, you know, P-Man something. So somebody was telling me about their stuff. But along the line, I find out that somebody want to take advantage of it to scam me. He was telling me that they have a property in Ibadan because I wanted to buy a property close to school, close to higher university or poly, because I want to build hostel. So when I was telling the guy said, okay, that he has a property at Ibadan that is owned by Deeper Life University stuff. So I almost commit my money, if not that God just saved me. I almost commit a huge amount of money to him. But, you know, he told me that he was a pastor from Redeemed Church and all that stuff. So I believed him. So at the end of the day, not knowing that that was a friend of mine who helped me when I was coming to Nigeria, when I was coming to US. So I was chatting with the lady. The lady was telling me that the same guy took his husband 2-point-something million by a land in Igbeduleki. That was how I ran away. So because of that, I'm being scared. But now, if I see a good organization where I can buy a property, so I want to buy 2 properties, one in Asaba and then one in Owerri. So that is really what drew my attention.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Mr. Testimony. And thank God that it's not only you. It's not only you. A lot of Nigerians abroad are suffering. Of course, if you have never been there, we make money, and we send money to Nigeria. Our brothers are in Nigeria. They even lie about the buildings and other things. So we are aware about it. That's why you are safe with Perfection Real Estate Group in terms of land and the property. Of course, we are going to be sharing everything you needed with. If you need lands in Asaba, massive lands we have in Asaba. Then in Owerri, we have crazy structures or land, whatever you want, we'll be able to give you already. You don't need to be scared already.
Okay, I'll give it a try. But that is what I'm really interested about, the landed stuff.
Yes, I want to know where okay, there's another person from US here is asking questions. Madam Sarah, as soon as you sign on, we are going to be putting you through. Of course, we are going to be working with those in abroad because we are going to be scheduling the time to suit you and suit your job. We are going to be making everything so easy for you. And what to do is already going to be fixed there, okay? So that is simple for us. If I need a plot of land, don't worry, those ones will be discussed after the presentation, okay? Just be sure, a lot of people have thrown their weight to the program. Kanu Ankwo is the Director of Business Development in Perfection Real Estate Group, and we talked already. And a lot of people don't want to lose their image and their name, so you don't need to be scared at all. I saw another question. Let me answer this question. Next question is, I'm interested for the Asaba. Okay. It's okay. Please, I haven't been given the Mr. Amadi, Mr. Ndubisi, when you don't have money to sign up and then you brought somebody, now you have two options. You look for money so that you can be ahead, you can be placed, the person can be placed under you. Okay? This is according to George Akume. Mr. President, are you still on? Mr. President, Mr. Nii, you remember what the George Akume said, the former governor of Benue State, the night the meeting we met with him, he said, this is the fastest way for ordinary people or even wealthy people to get more properties. But if they will think without being negative over it, you know, when we are leaving, Kanu will remind me, he said, without being negative over it, think about it. Okay, so it's if you have you say you don't have 38,000, I want to ask you, Mr. Ndubisi, if I will drop my Chevrolet Camaro now, my car, I drop it for you. I say just bring 38,000 naira for me now. Do you think you will not get the money even if it's in heaven? So please, what if the individual is not able to get it? Decide to pay some mentor to get the amount of the money she wants? How do the person go about it? Over a location? No problem. Just private chat us. Of course, we have that one for that. I said I have already paid. No for other things. I don't understand. What is PO? What is PO and other things? Please be clear about it. I want to listen to Kanu. Okay. Kanu even visited all our offices in Kanu visited all our offices in Owerri. Owerri people that are here will bear me witness to that one. Visited all our offices in Nigeria. Your presentation is always unique. Thanks. But my issue is of being remembered last year about give a kind of 5 minutes having. Because of you have not passed through our training, so you need to pass through our training. That's not a problem. The major problem is for you to pass through our training. If you pass through our training, you don't have any problem. Okay, Mr. Testimony is coming from my wife, and he is based in USA. Mr. Testimony, welcome. I heard when you were discussing with my wife earlier. Welcome. Next person, next question. Please, if you are, Mr. Nii is here. About Mr. Nii, please, can you say something about individuals that are duping people about land and all that? Because the legitimacy of our business is the most important thing. That's why people are coming after us already.
Okay. Can I respond to that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Well, that is why it is good to, consult with those people. There's a way to go when it comes to properties. Get the point, and there's a way to go about it. You don't become. That's why education is good. Like what we are trying to do now to educate people. We need to educate a lot of people about how to go about. Maybe you want to buy land. What do you need to do? How to recognize a genuine land? What are the questions that you should ask before you become comfortable about parting with your money, to buy land or any properties you get? Of course, working with people like us as well, so we can give you advice. If I ask somebody 1 or 2 questions, the way he answers me, I know whether he's going for a doom or he's buying rightly. You get the point now, because it's what we have been in for a while. So these are things that people need to understand, right? If you don't understand, please consult us. Even if you're not buying from us, it doesn't really matter. We are so passionate about guiding people right, because if you do it rightly, you will definitely have a reference point. You get the point. So and that is building integrity. So it's not only about buying from us. Anything that you have regarding real estate that you feel you want to do, please consult those who feel are capable or those who understand the trade. You get? That is the way to go about it, so that you don't fall victim. And that is why, of course, also go through people that you can trust, people that that respect their judgment. You get? So that they can also refer you to people who are genuine as well. But do your due diligence. Due diligence is for you to find out about what you want to buy, you get, and things like that. You always find out something. Ask a kind of question. You get. If you're not sure, anybody that you can trust. Well, okay, maybe I want to buy from Perfection. I don't even trust well. Okay, but I trust Jerry. Or I trust, please help me to go and ask about Perfection. So these are the kind of ways you prevent yourself. Don't be in a hurry in terms of, they say, don't, take your time. So these are the ways to prevent yourself from entering scam. If you open your eyes very well, when somebody is talking, you will be able to get one or two things, from what the person is saying. You get, and from one question, you ask another question again. Before you know it, hello? Hello? Madly hard?
No, we are with you, sir. We are with you.
Okay. We're hearing you clearly. We're hearing you clearly.
Okay, good. So before you know it, you get a lot of information that will guide you about, and that is another reason why we at Perfection, we go ahead, because of these problems. We go ahead to acquire properties so that people will not fall foul of buying properties. When we go to properties, we will already find out, we know all the problems that people can face, in trying to acquire property. So all those problems and impediments, we will have gone ahead to remove them for you so that you can buy in peace. If we reach any community now, we know if you give us your documents, we know what to look for. If we approach government, I say, government, please come and give us, because government is the custodian of land in every state in Nigeria. And that is why you see us go to governors, because those are the people that can give you land directly from there. But even at that, people that have already done, that follow that route, you can still find out about them and see that this land, I'm getting it from the right source. No government acquisition is coming upon it, or no future development that will affect it. All this kind of information is what we do ahead, so that you that doesn't know much about it can invest in peace and have it without any problem. So that's the kind of thing we are doing to ensure that you don't fall into the hand of scammers. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Mr. Nii. God bless you. We are really, really happy about this. A lot of people share this, the screen. Please, can you allow us to finish what we are doing? All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, I've seen other questions people asked. In this business, I believe in the word of Dale Carnegie. He said that he always disproves people who say that readers are leaders, because a lot of people have read a lot of things and die with it. So if you will attend the trainings and you will never apply anything we are asking you to do, that's a challenge for us. That's why we created a platform for all newly registered members to pass through our system. So get back to the person, your business partners who introduce you to the business. Let him add you to the group chat, or ask the person at the head of him, to your leader. Ask your leaders to add you to the group chat. All the leaders are admin in each of those, in that group chat. So, and that is where you get all the necessary training and information, not for everybody, but purely for these people who are new. So thank you very much. Again, ladies and gentlemen, if in absence of any other thing, we are here to tell you thank you for attending today's presentation. Mr. Nii,
I have a question.
For the clarities you brought, and thank you for participating. Unfortunately, network messed us up that our partner from the Philippines couldn't join, but ensure that we have created a lot of systems to accommodate our brothers and sisters abroad. For the people who share this link, we get to in the coming days about our presentation for them. I just received message that more than 50 people could not join from Turkey, Germany, France, and co. So don't worry, we are working on that, and also UK. So thank you very much. Someone is saying you have a question. Yes, what is your question?
Okay, sir. I typed the question, but I think you skipped it. Can you hear me, sir?
Who is this person?
Can you hear me? I typed the question, but it's like you skipped it.
What's your name?
You have a lot of. My name is Sandra. My name is Sandra. I'm calling you from Egypt.
Okay, Sandra, please, what's the question, please?
Okay, like I am a student here, studying here, and I want to own a property. How possible it is after paying the 38,000, and how am I going to grow the 96,000 you said per day? Then how will I attend trainings? Because I will not be really free to be attending training because I have classes. I'm a student here. So I don't know how it's going to work out.
Yes, madam, we have time differences. Like Mr. Ken that is in Washington is a student. And again, what we have done is this. We are going to design special time, and all our trainings are online, so easy. So we bring professionals across the world, and you're going to be seeing them. So how you're going to grow it and attend training is easy. We will add you to our group chat. You're going to be all the registered members in Nigeria's overseas workers are going to be added in one special group chat. Of course, people will give us their own time difference, so we are going to work based on their own time difference.
How do I register? I'm just 1 hour ahead of Nigeria time.
Okay. How do you register? Who invited you, madam?
Rest, Odom.
Okay, just contact Rest. Rest will give you the account number of the company. You transfer, then you send your details. We will update it here, and then you will get your, we'll create a private web page for you where you can monitor all your activities across the world.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much all for joining, and God bless you. It's nice to have you around here, and please contact back the person who invited you to this chat room so that you'll be able to follow up on everything, your registration, everything already. Please, I want you to sign up now, not tomorrow, now. If you don't sign up now, people will come in. Of course, look at what happened today. Many people, when we tell them, try to sign up on time because of the network. Now, the crowd became much, and many people are being pushed away, and many people are watching on Facebook already. Idris, please, you should have shared the Facebook through Tebi University, because that is where everybody knows. It's difficult for people to, and it's your private page. You are not supposed to share it to people because that's where you're doing your business. That's why we have secret pages already. Thank you very much. God bless you all and have a blessed night. Thank you for being part of us. Mr. Nii, thank you very much for coming. Esheun, thank you. Welcome. I think Mr. Nii is already out.
Thank you.
Bye.
No number. Thank you all and have a blessed night. All our leaders will be having meeting by 10 o'clock so that we'll be able to discuss. Thank you and God bless you.
Thank you. Salama.
Your number.
Can I join the meeting now? Some people are actually private meeting. Can I join the meeting? We're already done with the meeting.
I'm in the